What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dental Tube TV. If you've been wondering how to align pre-op scans to your working scan, then you've come to the right channel. I'm going to take you through the process step by step, so hang out until the end so you don't miss anything. So hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get to the video.
Grindstone spin, I'm the molar magician, carving up smiles, precision my religion, blueprints digital, the wax game pivotal, crown so clean, clientele stay habitual, in the trenches, ceramic dust, in the air, from a block to a masterpiece, handle it with care, jitters on the screen, they tuning in the stream, commander of the lab, I'm the smile making dream, Dental Tube TV, yeah, the grind don't quit, from the lab to the world, I'm designing that drip, wax ups, crown, full mouth hits, commander in the lab, making smiles legit, Dental Tube TV, where the craft get lit, from the grind to the polish, every piece gon' fit, restorations on lock, perfection in the kit, commander in the lab, making smiles legit.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure we have pre-op model selected in our order form. Click the tooth you're working on and click the pre-op model box. Then hit OK. Now just click Design and we can get started. Once you come to the Align Pre-op step in the design, there are two different places to do this, but each way is practically the same. You can either do it right here or click Expert Mode and then click Tools and find Align Meshes. There are two tabs, Automatically and Manually. I like to start with Manually tab to get my pre-op oriented in the same position as the working scan. Click and drag the pre-op scan while also using Control to rotate as needed. Once oriented correctly, click the Automatically tab. Now we can see all of our landmarks and similarities between the two scans, which is going to help us align them. Start by clicking the pre-op scan first, then click the working scan in the exact same spot. You will notice an arrow that directs the pre-op dot to the working scan dot. You can choose as many as you believe you need to properly align the two scans. I would suggest at least 4 to 5 spots if possible, and try and spread them out. Now, click Perform Alignment, and to be even more precise, click Best Fit Matching. The color scale confirms the areas that have the best alignment. Now you're able to design and copy pre-ops exactly or use as a reference. Hope this helped. Well, that's the end of this design video. Please feel free to leave a comment telling me what you think of this design. Any and all feedback is welcome so that we can all grow together. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section as well. I will do my best to respond as soon as I can. Go ahead and watch some of my other videos. Just click the link on the screen. I'll meet you over there. Thanks again for watching Dental Tube TV, and as always, I'll see you in the next digital design case.
Wax ups, crown, full mouth hits,